Hello everyone. This is a new series where I will keep informing you about the admission notifications of IISc and various IITs, even for NITs. Though NITs are in a common umbrella that is called CCMT. So if you just apply in the CCMT once, you will be eligible to apply for, and you can select from all the NITs and national level institutes. But even if you have already registered in common offer admission portal, that is COAP, then also you have to apply separately for IISc Bangalore and various IITs. So please keep in mind, you have to go to the individual site website and then you have to apply accordingly. Okay, so today I am starting with IISc Bangalore. Though the last date of application for IISc Bangalore is today itself, that is 31st March. So very sorry for the late update. So if you go to the website of IISc Bangalore, you will find this page, and here to view admission advertisement for PG and research programs, you have to click over here. You have to click here, and if you click, you will find a PDF. In that PDF, everything is written in due detail. Okay, there are various research programs, there are various masters and PhD programs. Okay, you can go through that, but I will just highlight the very important portion of the application. The first one is, if you are a civil engineering graduate and if you are applying through your GATE score, then you have options for aerospace engineering, civil engineering, okay, where your GATE score will be given 100% weightage, okay. And if you are applying for climate science and earth science, then your GATE score will be given 70% weightage and 30% weightage will be given your online interview or performance in online interview. Okay, eligibility is given in details. Okay, GATE 2019, 20 and 21 GATE scores are valid, obviously, because GATE scores are 3 years valid right now. These are various programs you can go through, but very important part is that your application fee is given and the last date, okay, that is 31st March today, 23:59, that means 11:59 p.m. in the night. So be very fast and go through once the application part, and then you can apply over here. Okay, everything is given here. So if you go to this website, you can apply over here. So thank you for today. I will be uh, taking various websites. I will be making videos on various IITs, the application process or notification of various IITs, and I will try to make it very fast and frequent. So please keep watching. Thank you.